Come test drive the 2021 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, running boards, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, power brakes, rear window wiper, interval wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.